Hey, Assalamu alaikum. Talk about coins with potential, talk about coins with a good team, talk about coins with a good project. Now, this is a tiny product, but I cannot say it's a tiny project. It's a project with a good potential, and it is called as Zignaly. Okay, it's a coin called Zignaly right there. Sorry for this description right there. And the short name for the Zignaly is ZIG. Now you see, Zignaly is like a combination of the words signal. Okay, signally. However you want to match those words out there. And quickly, before I even dive into the TA, because this is very relatively new to you if you're actually watching this, I did read about them, and they seem to be some very hardworking people out there, and they have something that has been out there on the market, and you guys do not know anything about it. Okay, and there's a review out here, but the best review is actually basically on their own website. Okay, so I'm gonna go back a little bit here to their main homepage right there, and I'm going to tell you, they say the better way to invest in crypto: let the world's top expert crypto traders handle your investing while you reap the gains. Now, a lot of people who like to follow other people who are good in traders. Now, for example, if you want to copy the way I trade, and when I buy, and you want to buy at the same time while you sleep. Okay, so let's say you're sleeping and I'm buying something, and I'm buying from you for you as well. And when I sell it, you're sleeping and I sell it for you. How does that idea? That sounds really good to me, okay? I mean, if you're a beginner, I'm an expert, and you wanna copy me, Zignaly is the medium for that one, but it's a little bit advanced. It's a little bit advanced, not for a very beginner friendly. I might not say it's a very beginner friendly, but if you start to read their documentation, and there's one thing that you have to set up, and that is your Binance account or your Qcoin account. They've mentioned that they're partnering with Binance, Qcoin, BitMEX, the VCC exchange, and the FTX as well. So if you're holding your money in any of these exchanges, you can connect to Zignaly, and whatever you can do copy trading. Okay, there's a trading bot as well for the advanced users, of course, if you know how to code or anything. So you can do trading. You can set the buy limits, the sell limits, and the computer is going to do that automatically for you. Okay, the copy trading is one of the best features out for Zignaly. I think this is the heart and soul of this project right there, and I think it's something that is very attractive for a beginner. And then we have profit sharing as well. Of course, you can learn about the more info, but what I want to tell you about is the copy trading as well. So I'm just going to click on copy trading right there, and you can see copy expert traders activity automatically on your account, 100% hands off, no settings, no hassle. So if you want to copy me, for example, as I told you, you can do that. And look, the copy trader, this is me. Signal is in the middle, and that's you. You are copying when I buy. If I earn 12%, you earn 12%. Okay, here's a joke. If I lose 12%, you're going to lose 12%. Okay, so it's difficult to enable? No, not at all. As simple as a click button and set your desired investment amount. Okay, there's three simple steps. Okay, connect your exchange, for example your Binance, simple example here, and connect your Zignaly account with your exchange using the secure API secret keys. Well, there should be a detailed tutorial about it. Maybe we're gonna get some other video down the road how to do that. No settings needed, no position edits, all is 100% managed by the trader you're copying. Now you don't need to do anything. All I'm gonna do is, for example, if I'm buying, let's say Bitcoin at 56,000 and I sell it at 57,000, you're gonna get that amount of percentage return. Okay, if you're investing 100,000 and you bought at 56,000 and you sell at 57,000, based on that percentage, you're gonna get the profits basically. And then you can set max funds as well. So here, that's the real beauty about this platform right there. And you can see they have their dashboard looking like this. You can see the provider name. I don't know if this is very visible, the image, but you can see blockchain Paris Titanium is a trader name, and they have a pair like Enable to Bitcoin, and so many pairs they've been trading, and they've had the price difference of they've been having some good profits out there. So whatever the profits they are taking, it's like you are also taking the profits. And I hope that really explains all the thing. On the technical part, it's now turning bullish since it has launched on a AscendX exchange, I guess, on April 2021. We've had this downfall that finally we've had the breakout. Look at those three beautiful white soldiers out there. If this one closes in the next 8 hours, if it closes like this is so bullish, and the price target minimal maybe but that you're looking by the end of this bull run is 0.28 28 cents basically. And from this area, if you're entering right now to this area, it's going to be 383% gain. There is a small chance maybe if you're looking for an entry that it could come a little bit more down in here, but that's unclear. If it ends in a 3 white soldier, it's going to continue to go towards the upside, but it doesn't make sense that it goes down for a retest. So I would wait for a retest, maybe buy a little bit right here, who knows, because we are starting the bull market finally. Okay, Bitcoin is looking bullish, and this might be so bullish it never goes down and continue towards the upside. So the volume as well, look at the volume down here. Look at the volume. After a very, very, very long time, the volume also broke out. Look at that. A very clear breakout of volume. So this is absolutely bullish right now at the moment. And ignoring the wick up there, I'm going to take the top to the bottom right here, and I'm going to tell you the resistance that it's going to find. Of course, it seems like it wants to go to the 0.618 and find resistance there. So there's two scenarios for entering this coin. I'm going to tell you the scenarios, okay? Now, the first scenario is that you have this level of resistance right there. Do you see that? That's a level of resistance, and the 0.618 is also resistance. So if we end in a 3 white soldiers like this, I'm going to zoom in. If we end up in a 3 white soldiers, it crosses the 0.618 and comes a little bit down to the 64 range here, then you can buy right there. Otherwise, you can wait for it to come a little bit down, which is the less likely scenario. The more likely scenario, the possibility is that it goes all the way up, come a little bit down here, let it take a breath, or maybe come a little bit to the 0.5 or the 0.382, okay? And this will be the very best buying area. But at the moment, it seems like it's gonna go up here and hold the 0.618, and now put a tick there, and the long-term target is nearly the 0.397 dollars maybe by the end of the bull run. Who knows, we can go to the 79, even to the $1 region areas. That totally depends on how it plays out, or how the development team actually they develop the coin, and how active the team are. They are very active, okay? The team is super active, and they're doing some incredible jobs out there. So this is something that I wanted to talk about, and this is the native token. So can ZIG actually zag towards the upside? That's going to be answered, and it's looking good, it's looking amazing. And I would like you to go here, and if you want to have a copy trader, I'm not there currently at the moment, but down the road we can be there as well. And if you want to copy my style and how I trade, when I buy, you buy, that's something that you can think about, right? And till then, I hope you enjoyed this video. Allah Hafiz.